Hello everyone, I'm Michael J. Vargas, a graduate student of Mapua, and this is my end-term project, the application of 8 QMS principles. So, Sanden is my current company and it is a manufacturer of automotive air conditioning system and components. And I will show you how I able to apply the 8 QMS principle. For the QMS principle number one, the customer focus. So being customer focused is likely to make customers more interested in dealing with you. Before, our aim was only to get the sheet that contains the technical information about the vehicle such as engine specs, accelerator, idle up, passengers, max capacity, and if feasible for aircon installation. So the result of implementing QMS is to improve the questionnaire to capture also the customer wants before development starts and survey form if the customer wants was achieved. So because our customer also not just want the cooling performance alone but the overall aesthetics of the product. QMS principle number 2, leadership. Leadership is the capacity of a company's management to set and achieve challenging goals, take fast and decisive action when needed, outperform the competition, and inspire others to perform at the highest level they can. In my company, especially some of the managers, they spend much time doing prototype samples that consumes almost 4 hours of their time, sometimes a whole day. In effect, he missed to manage the whole project because his focus was on one area of the project only. So, leadership after. So, the leader would now trust their people. This way, they are more employed and also come up with more innovative ideas and skills. By delegating tasks, the leader can gain time to focus on the goals which are to be accomplished at the end of the project. So QMS principle number 3, involvement of people. It is the direct participation of staff to help an organization to fulfill its mission and meet its objectives by applying their own ideas, expertise, and efforts towards solving problems and making decisions. So before, only the leaders, supervisors are only allowed to submit their improvement ideas for a monthly basis, and they were only recognized for their good ideas. So after the involvement of people, so now to conduct an employee suggestion program that encourages all regular and even contractual employee to participate in giving ideas on how to improve their daily work. This would be on a monthly program that has also a price for an individual if his or her ideas will accept by the top management. QMS principle number 4, the process approach. It is a management strategy. When managers use a process approach, it means that they manage and control the processes that make up their organizations, the interaction between these processes, and the inputs and outputs that tie these processes together. Currently, for all the models, we do statistical process control, failure mode and effect analysis to ensure and monitor the variation of the quality of a product. So we do also the first, middle, and last article as our sampling method. And we usually use portable CMM for our critical measurements. Those are the methods that maintain the quality of our product. So for the after in process approach, so we noticed that the quality is not enough if we did not able to meet our daily production output. So production lines were achieving their or some production lines were achieving their quota while others were not. So doing process benchmarking would help us to pattern the method of the product line that were good in output. So in result, all products lines were achieving their respective daily output with built-in quality. QMS principle number 5, systems approach to management. So it is a management approach which enables the leadership to see the company as a unified part or a major section of the larger outside corporate environment. So as you can see, these are the current certifications that Sanden have. We have certification ISO certification 9001-2015, the AJA certification of ISO 14001, and the OSHA 18001. And recently, we were able to recertify the IATF 16949, also known as the International Automotive Task Force. So after in systems approach to management, so the application of new 7 management system planning tools, especially the implementation of activity network diagram. It is a big help to the project management, especially to us development engineer and project engineer. Starting from prototype stage up to mass production condition, doing this would be able to meet on time the project completion requirement. QMS principle number 6, the continual improvement. It is the ongoing improvement of products, services, or processes through incremental and breakthrough improvements. These efforts can seek incremental improvement over time or breakthrough improvement all at once. So before, we normally use 7 QC tools to solve problems. As you can see on the left side are the board and for the quality tools and techniques. And on the right image shows our cause and effect analysis on why our welding capacity is low. So for the after in continual improvement, so now we were conducting quality circle competition, so yearly to generate more improvement on different areas such as production, warehouse, and even at offices. QMS principle number 7, the factual approach to decision making. Good management practices are based on the use of facts, data, and information. The basis for factual approach to decision making is the performance-based management system. So in Sanden, before, our management often made a bad decision in giving commitment date to our customer to accomplish the given project because he didn't know the performance of its people, starting from development stage up to product installation. In results, the customer was getting mad because of the commitment date was not met. So after the factual approach to decision making, so as a countermeasure, we were using daily control board to monitor the performance of the manufacturing. It also indicates the cycle time, the time completion of the project, of the previous project. And I would like to propose also the use of rhythm system software. It is a new method that empowers your KPIs to every department and employee. So this daily control board and rhythm systems software would help to make a sound decision by the use of data and facts. KMS principle number 8. So this will be the last principle, the mutually beneficial supplier relationship. Organizations depend upon their suppliers. Organization success is dependent on having a strong and viable supply chain and ensuring cost controls, quality, and performance improvements of purchased products and services. So in Sanden, we were conducting supply audit to our customer to check their way of producing their product. So their procedure on how to ensure the quality of product is very important to us. So after, for the mutually beneficial supplier relationship to be both beneficial to customer and supplier, I would suggest to conduct a yearly supplier quality circle competition. So this program will definitely improve our supplier manufacturing capability. They would reduce costs on their side, and Sanden, on the other hand, would be feel safe knowing that their suppliers were striving for improvement. And that ends my presentation. So I hope you learned something on how to apply the 8 QMS principles. Thank you.